Hey, good morning everybody. This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. We're gonna be taking care of the back patio. And she has like some stepping stones and a little wooden area that she needs to be cleaned up because it's kind of slippery. I only got one job on the schedule today, like I said, you guys. So, it's gonna be nice and quick. Hope y'all enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Channel's doing pretty well, man. We're moving along pretty fast, almost at 8,300, and we just hit 8K not too long ago. So thank y'all, man. I appreciate it. So this job here is not really that bad, man. I'm just gonna downstream it and just probably just soft wash the pool deck because I do this pool deck probably twice a year. So what I'm saying, go figure. The customer actually asked me if I want to do the driveway, and I told her, the driveway still looks good. We did it a year ago actually. So let me go show you guys what we got going on. So this is the driveway here. You guys can see it's not dirty at all. I mean, this part is worn away, but you can look at this, nice and bright white. So just don't need a charger for extra work. No need for that. You gotta take care of your customers. This is the back area. I'm gonna be cleaning these stones right here. See, there's a lot of algae on them. I think it floods, this area floods when it rains, so a lot of algae grows right here. Clean this little pad out here for her. Sorry about the plane. Can't even see it. Oh, there she goes. Take me with you. Anyway, we're gonna be cleaning this little pad right here where they put the garbage can. And also in here, we're gonna clean this up right here also. This is slippery when it gets wet. You can see all the algae on there. We're just gonna downstream this and use the white tip on it. Get all that algae off. And then this is the back area. It's not really much back here, like I said. She keep it real clean. Most of the time it's along the edges. You can see this little algae build up on the corners. Little spider webs and stuff like that on the inside, but no algae. So we're gonna spray the cage down. We're not gonna do that outside because, like I said, it's no algae. It's mostly a rinse down. So yeah, man, this is the project for today. Nice and easy work, man. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get cracking. Like I said, we're gonna start downstreaming. We're gonna start from back here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start spraying our SH. Start from inside this cage right here. I'm not gonna be spraying SH on the wood. It's the floor. It's not gonna hurt these mats either, man. So you're good with that. And the SH doesn't even hurt the pool. SH is chlorine, so you don't have to worry about, hurting the pool, changing the pH level, none of that. All right, we got the cage downstream. I don't use a ton of soap on the cage. There's no reason to, because to me, it's just gonna be make me rinse more. And it's all about timing, man. Time is money. So we're just gonna let that dwell. The SH dissolves the spider webs and all that, man. It takes them right off. You can sometimes see it just disintegrating coming down the cage. So we're gonna go ahead and downstream the little porch area over here. I know these stones, and when I say that the water settles, a lot of times I can just hit them with a hot mix and just ball valve rinse them, so I'm not using the turbo nozzle and these little rocks be flying everywhere. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'll downstream it though, just for video purposes. And also gonna do a little spot in here too. All right, guys, and here is all done, nice and clean. All those spots are cleaned up. This downstream and soft wash, man, didn't really take much because this deck wasn't that bad, but all the cobwebs that was on the frame is all gone. All right, let's go ahead and knock out the little patio area over there. All right, guys, that's all cleaned up. Remember, when you're cleaning wood, make long strokes from one end to the other. Don't ever stop in the middle, because when you restart, it's gonna leave lines on the wood. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this little piece out with a turbo nozzle, as well as the other side. Alright, so we're done over here. So I'm gonna do, just to make it pop a little bit more, I'm gonna put some SH on it, straight SH, and you know what I'm saying, lighten those things up. I see why the area where the garbage cans was is so dirty, because the water sits there. So it's just in a bad area, a bunch of gravel. But all this stuff right here, I'm gonna upholstery, as well as these stones, and inside of the little patio right here. Looks much better, but we're gonna upholstery it, make it look 100 times better. All done over here. Everything came out great. Just do my walk around, make sure everything is closed up how I found it. So nice and easy job. Makes it easy, man, when they do it on a recurring schedule, like 6 months. So you know, they save some money. Save some money on it. So this is not that dirty. You guys see I'm wearing my safety glasses. I'm trying to wear them more, man. Trying to wear them more. Let me go show you guys the other side over here. This is the inside part right here. Post treatment. Got the rest of that tanning that was sitting there. It looks pretty good. See the stones and the walkway. That post treatment, straight SH. Looking pretty good. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Make sure you give me a thumbs up so YouTube can show this video to other people that it might help out or that like this kind of content. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.